me tell you about the fateful day a unicorn named Charlie arrived at a big fuzzy temple, a temple so out of the way that no map I've seen has ever even drawn it. In a state of befuddlement, he clip towards the fuzzy pantheon when suddenly a figure all shrouded in shadow and intrigue opened up their eyes and said, "This is the temple of the captain, we're here to find your way. This is the temple of the captain, behold, that you can stay here at the temple of the captain, when the war is at the home here at the temple of the captain, when the heads are being low." He was led inside the temple by a figure who he thought might very well be the one and only wonderful cat, as previously mentioned in the story. Well, as he clipped his way through the fuzzy temple chamber room, there was a flash of color, then a cat appeared right before his eyes, and with a big cat smile they said, "I am a magical cat, and you wanted to cut my fur. I am a magical cat, and you wanted to hear me grow. I'm a magical cat, and I'm pretty much the bestest. I'm a magical cat, and I'm sure you are impressed with this." Charlie said, "No, that's a lot to take in." But as he looked at that magical cat, and as he looked way back on his own quite miserable catless life, he knew he'd be clipping the rest of his days at the temple of the cat, and his unicorn hair has been covered in cat hair ever since. All done, no returns, be well. Meow.